I am packing my bags, I am leaving. Think I'm going to Paris or Rome. I gotta get out of.
Good morning, guys. I know it's quite noisy outside, but it is currently 11:15 and it is a Monday. I had an early wake-up call today, so I'm not actually late, but I had an interview this morning, so I had to wake up at 7. I'm now headed over to the business school to do some work. I'll pretty much be working on my marketing strategy group assignment, and then start doing some dissertation reading, and we'll see how things go today. But it's currently really cold. It's like 4 degrees outside and I'm freezing, but yeah, I'll see you guys later.
This god-awful place that I used to call my home. Maybe I'm going to London. Gotta find someplace new. I'll move to a dump in a faraway slum to help me forget about you. I might be going to sunny California. I'll go surfing the waves till I drown. I really don't care, I will go anywhere. I just gotta get out of this town. 'Cause I see you in every corner, all the buildings and streets where your name. Go on, tell me I'm free to do as I please, but without you it's all the same. 'Tis a season to be lonely, and this Christmas sure feels blue. I'll go out of my way to get out of this place where everything reminds me of you. All those memories of you, they taunt me, but they're all I have left since you've gone. The longer I stay, there's no getting away. Gotta find someplace new to be alone. You'll be here with your friends and your family, all the loved ones that used to be mine. I'll be out of your way and out of your life, and I am going out of my mind. 'Tis the season to be lonely, and this Christmas is as sad as can be. I'd go out of my way to get out of this place, to forget you're not here with me. But wherever I go, I'll be thinking of you. 'Tis a season for feeling blue. cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold, but something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes that lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Oh, the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Crazy about Christmas. I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this
afternoon, guys. It is 3:10 p.m. and it is a Thursday. It is the 21st of November and I've just finished my dissertation workshop. So I'm now headed over to the business school, maybe elsewhere, to do some work on, I don't even know anymore. It's currently week 8, so I've reached a point of saturation where I have no idea what I'm doing. So I think I will be going over to the business school to focus on an assignment that's 1,500 words long, and it's for my strategic management module that's due on the 7th of January. I've got a university interview tomorrow. I don't have any contact hours tomorrow, so I've got some time during the weekend to catch up on my dissertation. So I don't think I'll be doing any dissertation work today. I'll just take you guys with me on this really, really confusing week for me. Next week is week 9, and yeah, let's just not talk about that.